I gotta admit, skincare has never been a top priority in my life. And I'm talking 99% of it, okay? I like to go out in the sun and mess around and ride motorcycles. At the end of the day, you shower, shampoo, and shine, but you never think about lotions and putting protectant on, especially when you're outside in the sun having fun on your boat or wave runner or hanging out at the pool. I lived in Las Vegas a long time, and I live in Utah now where it easily hits 100 degrees in the summer. But, until I joined LiveGood, I never really thought about skincare, maintenance, how to make it look sexy and radiant and youthful, okay? Until now, of course. So let me show you what LiveGood debuted, okay? I first want you to either bookmark or at least type this in real quick, and I'll show you this business card right at the end of this little vid too, okay? So joincory.com. All right, got it? Okay, now on the LiveGood website, go to the products tab. It looks just like this, okay? Check out all our products. The white rectangle boxes, they have the wholesale pricing, just retail, like if you go to walmart.com or Amazon or, what was it, C&G? I don't even remember. Is it CVS? Or GNC? Boy, there's all these alphabetical names out there. But with LiveGood, most of our products are health-based, okay? All right, you want to lose some weight, you want some energy. Do you have diabetes, heart problems, okay? Maybe you just want to get stronger and sexier, okay? You want to look better. Nothing wrong with that. And if you go to this products tab here, you can see how many products we've released just in the last 2 years. We have 9 more. It's either 9 or 10 more products in the next 1 to 2 months. Right now it's February. So March, April, we're going to debut 10 more great products, okay? So check out all of these. One of our latest is this CBN Sleep Gummy. All right, so yeah, non-habit forming. All right, you're not groggy in the morning, but yeah, if you want a deep sleep, why not chew 1 or 2 of these little bad boys, okay? They're nice and cheap for you. Okay, these are doing well. But here we go, guys. These are our latest products for the old skin. Okay, so just grab your cheeks, all right, like your grandma does. Goes, oh, that cute little Cory, how you doing? But, grandma never said, little Cory, you should have some moisturizer and some enriched toner. Maybe get some instant youth and get some ageless renewal. Okay, I never heard those terms back in the day. Okay, but I do now in 2025, okay? This morning, Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, they design our products, create them, and talk about them, okay? And they have a great, I guess you call it a Zoom meeting. You can see them on my YouTube channel. If you go to my Facebook page, I'll show you all these links here when I'm done. But they had a nice, I think it was about 30 minutes. And they talked about these 4 products right here, okay? Instant Youth, Herbal Radiance, Enriched Toner, okay? The VitaGlow. And if you want to know the prices, just like I said, hit any of these rectangle boxes that say Learn More, okay? And let's just hit one. How about this Radiance Enriched Toner? Okay, I don't know much about it. I'm learning along with you guys. Okay, but what I know is since I'm a member of LiveGood, for $11.95, I can get this. All right to my door. Couple bucks with the United States Post Office because I live in America here. All right, and like I said, it's $9.95 a month to be a member. So you get wholesale on everything, even our hats and shirts and everything else. Okay, there's the description. Okay, just read it, how to use it, and you can see comparable products. Beauty Counter sells for $68. Kat Berkey, I love that name. I think I went to her concert. $90, but look, you got to remember, with LiveGood, we are wholesale based and focused. For $10 a month minus a nickel, guys, you're getting our price at $11.95. We're not out to, God, what is the profit margin on 90? I know our product has better ingredients. And if our cost to make it is about $9, that's why we're selling it for a couple bucks more, because we have to pay for shipping and to get it to our warehouses in Jupiter, Florida. But since we're a wholesale-based company, we are not a retail environment. That's what you can do. If you want to buy our enriched toner, go ahead and buy it for $12. And if you want to even undercut these products by 10 or 20 or $30, there's still a heck of a lot of profit. If you own a gym or an Amazon store, maybe you want to sell this just from your house or the trunk of your car, but you have full approval. Okay? LiveGood, we're not one of those MLM type companies where you're not allowed to even sell these products publicly. Okay? You're forced to buy the products to get commissions. We don't do that. If you want to be an affiliate like I am, two $20 bills. That's it. $40, guys. And then you just pay $10 a month. So for $49.95, you are an affiliate and you have access to all of our products. This is mind-blowing. That's why we have almost 2 million people signed up in a little over 2 years, okay? We're about 2 years and 2 months old right now, and we have 1.8 million people worldwide as members and affiliates. Costco didn't do it, Netflix, Amazon, those three great multi-billion dollar companies, they did not sign up as many people as we have in 2023, 2024, and we're just 2 months in to 2025, and so far so good. It's going really well, and it's all because of the products first. People enjoy these products, especially when they're wholesale. Our ingredients are the most expensive. So if you break down our Herbal Radiance and Enriched Toner, you'll see our ingredients cost more than Kat Berkey and Beauty Counter. But look at how much cheaper we are because we're a wholesale company. Look at the markup. You know, and with Kat Berkey, or Berkey, all right, and Beauty Counter. Man, can you imagine? You're blowing $90. And you look at our ingredients and you're like, man, is it really worth that extra 70, 80? Oh my God, that's a lot of money. Anyway, that's how it works on our products tab, on all our products. And like I said, if you want t-shirts, hats, and I think what you'll find is if you're going to buy our products regularly, you're going to find a few that are your favorites, like Super Reds or Super Greens. You want energy, you want to lose weight, you want more energy. Just check out all these products. Okay, and there's the shirts and the hats. They're just at the bottom. All right, look at that. Girls' tankies. I wish they had guy tank tops. I cut the sleeves off all my shirts, so I bought a whole bunch of Live Good shirts here, and I cut the sleeves off, and I have all the hats. Although I forget to wear them. They're right at the side of my feet right now. I got them on the side of my desk, but look at that. You got a hoodie. Right now it's winter. You know, winter's over in a month or two here in Utah, but yeah, if you want a hoodie, maybe you ride motorcycles or going out and it's a little cold, or a beanie cap's kind of cool. This thing here, the frother, I always make fun of it, but for $5, you put this in your drink and it's like you're a bartender. You want to whip up that drink, make it kind of fun, okay? But that's the products. If you want to focus on the products and just invite people to your capture page, okay, and that's where you join Live Good for $49.95. Or if you want to get 2 months free, if you have $99 and 95 pennies, you get 12 months for the price of 10, okay? And then you're going to get your own capture page. And why don't I just show it to you real quick? I'll just make this video about 10 minutes, okay? All right, so what I did is I bought joincory.com, and then I have GoDaddy for free forwarded to this page here. You can change where it says Cory Draper's website. Put whatever you like there, okay? But invite people to watch this video right in the center of your screen. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It does everything for you. You don't have to do a video like I'm doing. Let this video, please. It's not that I'm going to beg you, but if I have to beg you, let our videos do the recruiting, the training, all the stuff that you don't want to do. And you might talk about Live Good for 2 hours and just bore people to death. You don't want to do that. Okay, I'm always worried about my videos here. I like to make them 10 minutes. Okay, but I'll tell you, if you just invite people nicely to put their name and email address here, have them click that reserve my position. You'll get more information about Live Good. And if they want to join Live Good, you're going to get an email. And they just open up the email, obviously, from Live Good, and they can join there. But I'll tell you what, I don't know if you call it a routine or a system or a technique, but boy, when I bought this domain from GoDaddy and just had them forward to this link right here, and you're going to have your own link. Let's say your username is Bob Thomas. All right, my name's Cory, and my middle initial is the little J. So I put Cory J. Draper. Okay, you can just do what I do. Get a domain name and forward it to this page if you want. Okay, I teach everybody or train or just show everyone what I do. And I've signed up well over 400 people now by doing this exact thing, okay? So I kind of keep it fun. I do enjoy doing YouTube videos for about 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is about the right time, not too long, not too short. You can obviously do the TikTok, selfie videos, go sideways, man, go full screen mode, but emailing is very important to me. And social media post, and just now and then, if you're going to post on social media, don't post every post about Live Good. You know, talk about your life, your hobbies, be interesting. if you're not interesting or entertaining or kind of fun, people are not going to really want to probably join you, because people join people. I really believe that. Okay, so be just self-aware that if you post about fun things from Hot Wheels to hobbies to Legos, I don't know, what's your favorite pizza? Where's your favorite place to travel? Or maybe you're into music. But if people kind of bond with you, aside from Live Good, they're like, well, hey, you know that Cory guy? He's into crazy stuff. Look at his walls and back. I think I'm gonna join him because he does video and he likes to email. He posts all over social media and he does it every day. Okay? There's no doubt about it. If you look me up online, you're going to see me posting just about every day, even on Super Bowl, even on Christmas. I always have time to at least put something up and invite people just to my Cory or joincory.com, okay, right there on your screen. Okay? Keep it simple, keep it fun. I think that's the trick. And then your downline or people that sign up in your group, please teach them the same thing because you want them to do the same thing. So you duplicate. Okay, get hundreds and then thousands in your downline. Get to gold. Okay, then get to platinum and get up to the diamond ranks where you start making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, in the bonus pool. So, all right, guys, that's plenty of video. It looks like I'm about a minute or two over. So joincory.com. Also, if you're on my YouTube channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Okay, that way every day you can kind of see what I'm up to and everything else. If you're on my Facebook page, tongue twister, get a hold of me on the inbox if you want, but you can also get a hold of me just Cory at CoryDraper.com. I think I got my email address right there on your screen. Okay. If you have a question or so, I don't mind. All right. You're not going to have a lot of them because this is so simple. I don't think you're going to really have to tweak your brain too much inviting people to watch a video. Okay. All right. Have a good one, guys. And hopefully you watch my other videos popping up right now. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.